Why do more than 300 million McAfee customers rely on us to protect all their devices? Let's find out. McAfee employees work together to protect customers worldwide. Our global security team detects more than 400,000 threats each day. That's almost 5 every second. McAfee has been a leader in online security for 30 years, so it's clear we're here to stay. That's why 90 of the Fortune 100 depend on us to keep their systems safe. Heard of WannaCry, Petya, and Heartbleed? We have. McAfee analyzes viruses and ransomware in real time with cloud-based global threat intelligence. Anything connected to the internet can also connect you to threats, so McAfee protects your PCs, Macs, smartphones, tablets, and wearables. And if you're up all night with a virus, you can talk directly to a security expert. Our Virus Protection Pledge guarantees that we remove viruses or give your money back. Want to help us make the internet a safer place? Get informed at home.macafee.com.